We have found a super simple way to add money to your PayPal account. All you need is a little time and your mobile phone. Want to learn more? Then watch this video. This method we will show you will make your PayPal account look like this or this. With just a little effort, you can make money in a snap. Just follow this step-by-step process that we have made to earn money right away. This method is super easy to do and you do not need any previous experience. This method is 100% free. You do not need to draw money from your bank account or your very own pocket to start this. This is also available worldwide, so anyone from anywhere can do this. And also, this method is super accessible to everyone. All you need is just a mobile phone. So what are you waiting for? Let's start earning. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The website that we will be showing you today is called userlytics.com. Userlytics is a user testing website where you can test different websites and mobile apps and get paid. People on this website will give you specific things to do like a feature of this mobile app or website, download and install this mobile app, and let that person know how you feel about it, visit this website and test some features. The list goes on. And once you do all that, you get paid immediately in your PayPal account. Easy, right? Big brands such as Microsoft, TripAdvisor, Coca-Cola, BBVA, and Google are clients of this website and use this platform to find people to test new features on their websites or other products. This is a good opportunity for you to work with these big brands. Some of the features of Userlytics are advanced video capture and editing, quantitative and qualitative metrics, tree testing and card sorting, live conversations, easy onboarding, privacy protection, and many more. If you look at this section, we will see how they do their testing process. First, they filter out the testers depending on what they put on their profile. Then they create the test specifically for the testers. Then after the tester tests a website or mobile app, they give their feedback about it. They can then share the feedback and results of the testing to stakeholders of their companies. But before we can do all that, we first have to register as a tester. To do that, we just scroll down the main page and look for Be Paid to Participate. Once we click that, we are greeted with this page. There are 3 simple steps you need to do to earn money on this website. 1. Register and earn money by completing the short and easy form on this page and join the global community of user testers. 2. Interact with a web or mobile app or other types of digital assets and speak your thoughts and emotions out loud as you do so and answer a few questions. And number 3, get paid via PayPal. Once your test results have been approved, you can be paid $5, $10, $20, or other amounts depending on the project. Projects can even pay as much as $90. As a user tester, your work will consist of completing a series of tasks and instructions while interacting with the website or mobile apps. You are then asked for your thoughts, emotions, criticisms, suggestions, and other questions while using the websites and apps. After that, you are now paid depending on the tasks. Sounds good, right? Userlytics is a global provider and has user testers from Europe, North America, Japan, China, and many more countries. This is worldwide. As a user tester, your computer or mobile phone should have these minimum requirements. For computers, Mac with OS X 10.13 or higher, PC with Windows 7 or higher, browsers such as Chrome or Firefox, microphone, and webcam. For mobile phones, Android 5 or higher, iPhone with iOS 11 or higher, web browsers like Chrome and Firefox, microphone, a front camera, and the Userlytics app installed on your phone. For this video, we will be focusing on mobile phones since everyone has one and most phones already meet the minimum requirements for testing. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. So to start off with the registration, you just put your email address right here and check on these boxes, and now you can click on sign up. Once you do that, you will be sent an email to confirm your login details. So all you have to do is open your email account and look for that mail. Once you found it, then you can click on the link to confirm your account. And once you do that, you will be sent to this page. You will now see a form where you will need to put your first name and last name, the country that you live in, your date of birth, your PayPal email address, your gender, and your password. Once you filled everything on the form, just click submit and you now have an account at Userlytics. Easy, right? Once you log in, you can now see your dashboard. In your dashboard, you can see any test invitations that you receive, completed tests that you have done, and missed invites that you failed to respond to. As you can see here, our dashboard is empty. It is because our profile has not been set up completely yet. To do that, we just click on Qualify for more tests on the upper right section, and we can now complete our profile. We just need to put in the type of devices that we use. For phones and tablets, it's either iOS or Android, and for computers, it's either Windows or Mac. They will also ask you what social networks and what preferred web browsers you use. They will also ask you basic information like education, currency, income, occupation, and so much more. Once you have completed your profile, you can then click on Save Changes on the upper right section, and your profile is now complete. Now you just need to wait for test invites from clients and you can earn money. Note, test invites depend on what you put on your profile. If the active tests on the website do not correspond with your demographic profile, don't worry. There will be plenty of tests on this website, and since Userlytics is a global provider, meaning it has a worldwide operation, there will be specific tests for your demographic profile. All you have to do is wait. It may come tomorrow or the next day. Userlytics will be sending you an email as soon as possible if a test is available for you, so you can just relax and watch more videos on this channel. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.